Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME C53 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and then in this section we have to find the wallpaper. As you can see here, we've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen. We can change the wallpaper just by tapping on this option. But before, just a quick disclaimer about the wallpaper colors, because it is quite a cool option. Your device will can simply take the colors which are on the wallpaper and apply them to the whole system. So as I said, it's quite cool. Of course, you don't have to use this option. Alright, so let's tap on change wallpaper and we will be transferred to those albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. Here we've got my photos, which is basically your own gallery, and here on device wallpapers, pre-installed options from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do in order to check the preview is to tap on the wallpaper. So let me pick, for example, this one, and as you can see here we can check how it will look like on the home screen and on the lock screen, so you can decide whether you like it or not. And then all you have to do is to tap on the stick icon. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen or both, so the home and lock screens, and I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.